So far as the education is concerned, it's a vast sector, as you have rightly pointed out. We are catering to a variety of section of our society. There are far-flung areas, there are difficult areas where we are catering to the students, and we have tried our level best that we should be able to give them quality education. Despite of the challenges, there have been many initiatives which have been taken during last few years. You could see that we have introduced IC labs in our robotic labs in our schools. We have introduced attending labs. We have tried to encourage the students to participate not only at the UT level but at the national level and even international level. We have tried our best, and in the phased manner, we are trying to address the infrastructural gaps which are there. I am hopeful that the way we have devised a roadmap for 5 years now, that will probably be the landmark initiative, which in the coming days we will see that in the phase-wise manner all those issues are addressed, which will really give a platform to our students in government schools at par with the private schools, also even better than that. आपने कल ही देखा होगा कि हमने ड्रीम स्कूल जो कोठी बाग में हमने जो है वो इनाग्रेट ऑनरेबल एलजी साहब ने किया है. इट हैज़ पार एक्सलेंट फैसिलिटीज़, ऑल फैसिलिटीज़, हीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, एंड देन टीचर्स की फैसिलिटी, capacity building. Like that, many schools in the coming days are being identified. जैसे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने पहले ही अनाउंसमेंट करे K-12 schools. These are the model schools, 2 schools in each district, which will be taken for as model schools where we'll have ultra modern facilities. We have all quality parameters of infrastructure. तो उसको फिर replicate करके आने वाले दिनों में फिर बाकी जगहों पे जो है उनको किया जाएगा, so that our government schools compete equally at par with the private schools and also better than that. System हमने बनाया हुआ है, that is the biggest thing that we have put in place certain initiatives in the pipeline. आपने देखा होगा हमने पिछली बार कई MOUs किए हैं, IUST के साथ MOU किया है, SCOS के साथ MOU किया है. We are in the process of doing MOUs with some credible NGOs also who have been working in education sector. तो वो सारे MOUs इसलिए किए गए हैं ताकि एक रोड मैप को जो है फॉर्मली एक लेड आउट किया गया है. एंड आई एम श्योर जो हमारे आने वाले डायरेक्टर साहब हैं, ही विल ऑल्सो बी इन अ पोजिशन टू फॉलो दोज रोड मैप्स, और उसके चलते जो भी इनिशिएटिव्स लिए गए दे विल बी कैरिड फॉरवर्ड. एंड आई एम satisfied कि whatever best we could do, we tried our level best, knowing that there are limitations and there is a lot of scope to contribute, and this is the sector where I think really we need to do much better than what we are doing. And the team spirit we have built in education department, particularly in the directorate, and the support we have got from the government and from other allied departments, I am sure that we will be able to take our roadmap to the logical conclusion.